right, welcome to another first episode of Household Tips by Mike, your go-to source for when something around the house isn't working as it should. In this episode, we're going to have a look at the zero water filtering pitcher, which is commonly found almost anywhere you'll find water filters for the house. The zero water system uses an unusual filtration method that results in much better water purity, but it has one major flaw. When the filter is used up, it makes the water smell strongly of rotting fish. Today we're going to get into why this happens and what you can do about it if you own one of these filters. Let's get into it. What's going on here? Why does this name brand water filter start smelling like fish whenever the filter expires? Well, to understand that, we have to get into a little bit of chemistry here. See, the filter medium has this thin charcoal layer, but behind that is actually something pretty innovative. They're using an ion exchange resin to purify the water. Inside that filter resin, there are cations and anions, which replace contaminants with either hydrogen or a hydroxide molecule, and those two combine together to form pure water. Also, the problem happens in that exchange resin. What happens is the expired cations in particular release trimethylene, which is the same chemical compound that you will find commonly in aquarium water that needs to be changed, rotting fish, and all sorts of stuff you really don't want near your mouth. All right, so what are we going to do with this thing? Well, first of all, make sure you empty it out. I don't need to show you how to dump the water out. You don't need to get it bone dry. You just want to get the water out because otherwise it'll make a mess when you do what happens next. Okay, so now we're going to go over here. We're going to take this thing apart, right? We're going to just go ahead and disassemble it. We're going to get this filter out. We don't need to worry about the filter because it's expired, right? So we're just going to set that aside and make sure that the drain is in position, right? And then what you're going to do is you're going to take a sledgehammer. You're just going to... And then you take and get yourself a nice carbon-based water filter like a normal person, and it won't stink like fish when it goes bad. Thanks for watching.